Well, not that you can see anything at this particular point, but if I can, I'm going to swing it around because I do have, it's probably a bit close, cannot see what you're actually seeing. There's a camera, bud. There's a camera. But my Jesse decided he actually wanted to come out. I'm going to let him go down. I'll see if he'll just release me a little and do his Jesse thing. What do you think, Jess? He was at the door mooching, and it's all right, dude. It's okay. Get some body going there. All right? You right? Okay. I think we'll be right once he gets more of himself off of me and more of him on something else. The more he starts to just chill a little bit, as my Jesse does. Bless him. Being the little, well, he's not little, guys. He is, look at this thing. Look at this thing, Jess. You right? Okay. I don't know where you're going. Where are you going? Where are you going? Let me see where he's going. There he is. Where you going, dude? Where you gonna go? Hey? Yeah, I wasn't really thinking about doing a video because I need to get a video edited at the moment. So I've got a video for tomorrow, guys. I'm pretty much not struggling for time, but certainly the time factor for me, the days just go, and you have people pop in and say hello, and I love that, and all the rest of it, but yeah, I just, and them coming to the end of the day and thinking to myself, oh my goodness, I haven't even got a video ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to let Jesse sort himself out, of course, and figure out where he would like to go, and Ruby's sitting there going, another snake out? My goodness. But you've had it pretty good today, Ruby. There's been no snakes out. They've all kind of been chilling. Jesse's the first to make an appearance, isn't he? Just like, they're always moving, aren't they? Ruby's really good. Has no issues with my snakes at all. Of course, that's no fear of my snakes, and my snakes have no fear of my cats. And if you've watched any of One Soft Kiss videos, you'll be well aware that other animals live quite peacefully and happily with all sorts of animals, and in our case it's snakes, totally snakes. And my dogs are of course very used to, oh there he is, he's going to do Jesse thing, which is excuse the banging, that'll be one of my young boys in the lounge room banging things together in there. But Jesse will make his way, I think, up there. Oh, Are you right, dude? You know where to go. Sorry, I'm just not pointing you where you can't see him, but there you go. Whoa, now I'll move myself so you can see him. You right? Can go up, dude? Yay? What's happening? No, you don't want to. You don't want to, or you do? I don't know if he does or he doesn't. Oh, it's almost like I've really got to let him get a grip. What are you doing, man? Okay? Oh, cool. Whoa. That was hard. He's right. He's getting there now. And he'll do his thing. Because Jessie knows up there really well as the other guys. He spends quite a bit of time cruising up here on this enclosure, and he certainly knows that hangout spot, and he certainly knows up here. But this enclosure, of course, is new. So for him, he's not actually seen that before, so I'm pretty sure he's going to investigate that tonight for a little while. So, you know, I'm glad Jessie's wanted out, because I'm pretty sure that my Lily is going to want to venture out too tonight. So, I mean, you know, I can have both of them out. There is no problem there. But certainly easier to keep my eye on one out than both out. Even though Lily will tend to, you know, find her spot up there and chill out. Jessie, he tends to just hang here and just spread out and have a nap up on top of the enclosure. And more often than not, that is where he'll stay. But a lot of the time he will go up onto this hangout spot and cruise around there. So, you know, as you can see, Jessie's getting a pretty big boy. And Lily, yeah, Jessie's catching up, sweetie, at this point. But, you know, Jessie is a good eater of rats. Lily is, yes, a good eater of mice. But we also know rats are certainly got a lot more substantial weight gain available from eating them than those little tiny mice that Lily seems to enjoy. So, you know, like I said, it's you know, just Jessie coming out, having a cruise around. I just wanted to flick the camera on, get some footage of him for you, so you can just see, you know, he's a beautiful boy. There's no doubt about it. One beautiful looking snake, and certainly has the nature to go with it as well. So, you know, I always say, for me, it's not about the looks, not at all. It's about them and their personalities and what they are like within their behaviour. You know, you can have a beautiful looking snake that is constantly defensive and fearful. If you do, for me, you didn't spend very much time with it. Or if you got it from somebody that had it for a while, they didn't spend very much time with it either. But you know, it's no good having a beautiful looking snake that's beautiful to look at, but is one fearful defensive snake all the time. That is not, to me, a beautiful snake at all. So, you're going to stick your head down there, buddy. Hey, can I pull you out? Can I pull you out a bit so we can see you? But you don't need to grip that, dude. You're quite okay. Alright? Yeah, I know, you can smell Lil. Hey? Does she smell good? What do you think? See his tongue going? I hope you can. It's a bit dark, but the tongue's going 100 miles an hour. Just tasting everything. And it really has only, well, Lily, Jack, you know, they've all been up here, but it's been Lily just recently, so yeah, he can taste and smell her. Can't you, dude? Hey? She's a beautiful girl too. My Lily? Right, guys. I'm going to say take care of yourself and your family, your snakes, and of course all your pets equally. So ciao.